If you're aiming for financial independence before hitting 40, you'll need a solid strategy tailored to the U.S. market. From smart investments to disciplined spending habits, here are 8 key tips to help you build wealth and secure your financial future. Let's dive in. In 8th place, invest in financial education. In the U.S., understanding how money works is the foundation for building wealth. Whether it's learning about stock markets, real estate, or retirement accounts like 401, Ks, and IRAs, financial literacy is crucial. The more you understand, the better your financial decisions will be. Here's an important tip. Start reading books, listening to financial podcasts, and attending seminars. Knowledge is your most valuable asset when it comes to building wealth. In 7th place, start investing as early as possible. Time is one of your greatest allies when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even if you start small, consistent investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate will pay off in the long run. Here's a golden tip for you. Take full advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs and 401 Ks, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. In 6th place, create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky in today's economy. Diversifying your income sources, whether through side businesses, real estate, or passive income streams like dividend-paying stocks, can accelerate your wealth-building process. Now, an important tip. Think about ways you can generate additional income, such as starting a small business or investing in rental properties. In 5th place, avoid consumer debt. Credit card debt, car loans, and high-interest personal loans can seriously drag down your ability to build wealth. In the U.S., many people fall into the trap of buying things they can't afford with borrowed money, which creates a cycle of debt and interest payments. A golden tip for you: prioritize paying off high-interest debts as soon as possible, and avoid using credit for things you don't truly need. In 4th place, live below your means. It's tempting to increase your spending as your income rises, but one of the most effective ways to build wealth is to live below your means. The less you spend, the more you can save and invest, which will accelerate your path to financial freedom. Now, an important tip: track your expenses and create a budget that allows you to save and invest at least 20% of your income. In 3rd place, build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are inevitable, and without an emergency fund, you may be forced to rely on credit cards or loans when things go wrong. A well-funded emergency account can protect your investments and prevent financial setbacks. Here's a golden tip for you. Aim to save at least 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account for quick access in case of emergencies. In 2nd place, focus on long-term investments. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long run, it has consistently provided strong returns. Instead of chasing short-term gains or speculative investments, focus on building a diversified portfolio that will grow steadily over time. Now, an important tip. Consider low-cost index funds like those that track the S&P 500. They offer broad market exposure and have historically outperformed most actively managed funds. In 1st place, leverage opportunities in the U.S. market. The U.S. offers countless opportunities for wealth creation, from entrepreneurship to investing in tech or real estate. Whether you're interested in starting your own business or capitalizing on the booming stock market, there are endless ways to grow your wealth. Here's a golden tip for you. Stay informed about emerging industries like renewable energy and technology, and invest in sectors that are poised for growth in the coming decades. Now, here's an extra tip that was worth waiting for. Networking is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth in the U.S. Building strong relationships with mentors, business partners, and investors can open doors to new opportunities and help accelerate your financial success. If you have any questions or ideas for content, leave a comment. Your suggestion could turn into a full video, and your comment might even be featured on the channel. Want to keep learning and improving your financial future? Watch the video on your screen now to discover more valuable tips for achieving financial independence.